how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. I'm back. I've got a haul for you today from Target. I visited the Dollar Spot, and then I did go to Dollar Tree as well while I was out yesterday. I had to pick up some prescriptions, and if I'm picking up prescriptions, I might as well go to the stores that are kind of right there. And I'm fortunate because there was a Dollar Tree on the way home, and then there was a Target right there where I was picking everything up at. So I am, it's not a ton of stuff, like I said, but it's still some cool stuff. I teased it a little bit on my Instagram, so if you saw that, then you already know some of the things probably I got. And you can hear one thing. I thought this was super cool. I'm just going to get out of the way because this is going to make noise the whole time if I don't. But they are huge, huge Jingle Bells, and they're vase filler. So they're all individual Jingle Bells, and I thought it'd be really cool to put them in a glass vase. And I have a really large, like, glass candle holder that I may end up actually putting these into, and I think that they'd be really cute. In fact, it's the one I did the DIY in that was with a maker studio that had the sleigh and everything in it. I ended up using the sleigh and the bottle trees for something else. So I think that could be really pretty with that Merry Christmas kind of etching that was on that glass. So that's kind of the stencil rather. The other thing that I grabbed, and I grabbed 3 of these, they had these little arch like windows, and it feels like there's like a plexiglass or a plastic in here. And I thought that I bought 3 of them because I thought that I could take like little hinges and hinge them together and take the plastic out that's in there, because it is kind of like a picture frame in some ways, and create something really cute with it, even if it's just like a screen. Maybe put some fabric or something in it, even some Dollar Tree contact paper or something, and these were like $3 a piece. So I grabbed those. I'm obsessed with these little wood villages. And so, of course, I had to grab, let me save my receipt, because you know you want to scan that into Fetch Rewards, which I'll talk about shortly. But I grabbed, they had these oversized buildings, and I thought they're so cute, and I had to get them because I want them. And I honestly think that these are not going to be Christmas decor for me, though, because I just love like architectural accents, and I am planning on redoing my living room in January. My mama's giving me some Christmas money, so I think I'm going to get a new couch, and I'm going to try and get a few things done. And that's like January, February, I think. And I thought these would look really cool in the new living room. These are going to stay as they are. I think I'm going to paint one of these navy, and I might just stain one really dark, almost like a black color. But I thought they could be really cool, even hooked together. So I even thought about like going back and getting more after the fact, and like gluing a whole bunch of them together and making like a fireplace screen out of them, where it would be just a bunch of buildings. But I think I can do that one cheaper on my own, so we're not going to do that. But again, some super cute stuff. And then I really burned myself really badly yesterday or the day before on my little tiny baby glue gun, because I ran out of my big glue sticks, so I grabbed some glue sticks while I was at Target. And then I grabbed these command hooks. These are the clear little ones that are perfect for garland and for trim, and it's just, I'm adding a little bit more garland to my fireplace. So that is something that I wanted to grab. And then it's funny because I just saw a Dollar Tree thing in my Target bag, so I just moved it. And then, so that was it for Target. I did buy some gingerbread cookies, but you don't need to see those. Because some of them are in my belly. But remember, you want to save your receipts whenever you're shopping right now, especially during the holidays, because there's so many different bonuses and stuff out there. And if you have Fetch Rewards, you get to scan your receipts, and then you earn points based on what you spent and any kind of specials that you may have picked up on. And then you get to redeem those points for online gift cards for stores like Amazon, and receipts from Dollar Tree work, receipts from Kentucky Fried Chicken work, receipts from Costco work, grocery store receipts work. So it's actually kind of cool. They have a lot of really cool stuff. Oh, I did buy something else at Target. I knew I was missing something. I bought a shirt. I thought it was a cute shirt. It was $24, I think. And what I think is cool about it, it's got the doggies on it. And, you know, I'm still buying clothes, even though I'm not going into my office. I'm still buying clothes sometimes. And I liked it. I liked it a lot. And I think I can do a link for you guys for this too if you want. I know I can because I can get it on Target.com. So I'll link that for you in case you want to get it for your son or your boyfriend or your husband or your brother or your cousin or whoever else it is. And then I did find a few new things at Dollar Tree. They're putting spring stuff out already. And then again, save that receipt because I want to scan it into Fetch Rewards. Now these are not new. These are some bottles that they've had at my store for a while, and they have them in a bunch of different colors. Again, thinking ahead to my living room, I wanted to go ahead and get 2 of them because I have an idea for these, and I think that green would be a nice complement to the navy and the browns and grays and such that I'm planning on doing in the living room. So pretty excited about that. This was a beautiful vase that I saw that I had never seen before, and it's kind of like a frosted glass. And at first I thought it was a drinking glass, but then saw a ton of them over in the like where the candles and stuff are. And how beautiful is that going to be? Because it's kind of this frosted, like bluish gray. And I thought that would be great, especially on like a tray or something. And then I kid you not, I was getting ready to do a DIY that is almost identical to these. I'm going to put them down here so you can't see it because I got one more to unwrap. And I was buying all the supplies to do a DIY to make these. My Dollar Tree I went to actually wrapped things up in paper. Paper towels, but at least they wrapped them. And I had about $6 worth of $7 worth of stuff, and then I saw these. How cute are those little candle holders? So there's this one, and then there's the buffalo check one. And again, I was buying 2 rolls of ribbon that was very similar. I was buying some more twine. I was buying a couple floral things so I could have some little pieces. And then I saw these and I was like, I should make those and tell everybody I made them. But I did not. And yeah, so if you're lucky, your Dollar Tree will have these and you can go out and get these and save a couple bucks. Because literally I had probably $6 or $7 worth of stuff in my bag that I was going to get. And I was just like, no, don't do that. This is really random about me, but I love the Barbasol razors. And so I always buy the Barbasol disposable razors for the times that I do shave. And springtime, they have these plastic candle rings. Have you guys seen these yet? They're set up to go around the vases. They look a little small to me. I don't have a Dollar Tree vase handy. Otherwise, I would try it. But they look a little small to me because that's like one of those, that bottle. But that's still beautiful together, right? So I'm curious if they'll fit. I know that they would, do something like that if you wanted to do something like that with them. But I also thought that they could be fun for a DIY project. So I found that kind. And then there was one other one, but it must be in the other bag. Yeah, I've got one more bag. Let me see. I like to pull stuff out if I can when it's all kind of similar. Oh, you know what? I remember I put it back last minute because it was, it had been torn up. It was like eaten up. There were like four or five little flowers that were missing off of it. But it was just kind of a springtime version of it. And it was like whites and tans. And I thought that it would be really, really pretty with these pieces that I bought. So they had these cotton pods that I thought were fun to work with for something for even winter. And then they had that kind that had a little bit bigger cotton ball kind of associated with it that I thought were cute. I grabbed these Dollar Tree signs because I am actually doing something else with them other than Christmas. But I found the red truck again. I had not seen this one since last year, and I bought the red truck. And then I also bought the camper, and I planned on doing something with them. And I tried to do the camper, and it failed miserably. So I scrapped the DIY, and you guys never saw it. So I'm going to take another attempt at it this summer and see where it goes. These are really, really random, but I thought that they could be cool DIYs. And it's like a kid's phone. I think it just echoes. Actually, it does echo because I can hear it. It's kind of weird. But I bought 2 of them because I thought they could be good oversized handles on something. So I may end up doing like a tiered tray, or not a tiered tray, but a tray or something, and then using those as handles. So I thought they could be fun. And then I got a gift for a friend of mine. She is a Scorpio, and so they have these astrology sign candles, and I thought she could appreciate that. I knew she would. And I got her that. And then I got myself some body wash because I'm going home for Thanksgiving. I'm very excited to see my mom and my dad and my sister. And then the last thing I grabbed was super cute. I'm going to see if it works. It does work. And it's a wood red truck sign. See if you can see the light that's behind it. It's one of those signs like that. It was actually already painted, which, you know, sometimes it's fun to do these yourself. But thought it was super cute, super cute way just to add something to a bookshelf. And I don't know, you can't see it where I put it, but it looks kind of cute there. So again, that is the haul. I didn't say it was a big one. And you know, I probably spent collectively, let's see. Here's my 2 receipts. I spent $19 at $19.52 at Dollar Tree, which is probably the smallest I've ever spent at Dollar Tree. And then I spent $76 at Target, but I bought some grocery stuff too that you guys haven't seen. Oh, and I did buy some paint. I bought some Rust-Oleum paint that they have there, and I don't know where that went. But I bought the gold and the flat black, so the metallic gold and the flat black, because those are my favorite colors. Anyway, that's it. That's the haul. I didn't say it was a big one, but it was a fun one, and I got some cool stuff. So I'm looking forward to doing more DIYs for you. I'm trying to crank out as many as I can before the holidays, so hopefully you guys are enjoying them. We've got a lot of cool collaborations and stuff coming up with some other people, so look out for them. All right, bye-bye.